Hey, y'all. When I say my wife went crazy on the decorations, I ain't mad at her though. It's been a joyous year for us. And so she kind of like did a lot. Let me show y'all real quick. First, I'm gonna start outside, bro. Look at it. Let me close the door. Gotta start outside. She got the little Grinch, the little Merry Grinchmas, nice little wreath. She even got a little pillow. Nobody come take our pillow, man. All right, then you go in. And the living room, the dining room is first. So we got this tree over here. Then we got all the table decorations. Check out the table decorations. Then you got the snowman. Then you walk over and you got the traditional family setup with the fireplace, chestnuts roasting, looking. She got that one. I don't know what she gonna do with that big stocking. Then she got this. What'd you call this, babe? It's garland or something? No. You got the garland to go around it. And then we have the garland. So this is how it looks from this angle. She still got some stuff to set up, so don't mind the little box. And so, babe, come here real quick. So, Logan, you like the decorations?
Yeah.
Let me see. Just give y'all a little perspective. You heard me. It's like all trees in here. It look like we selling trees. Nah, but it's tight though. It's nice and festive. Got the
3 trees.
little snowman. It's a snowman tree, y'all. This is a very unique tree. I really like. Actually, this is my favorite tree because it has so much character. And then you got the Candyland tree over here with the peppermint patty. Then you got Black Santa right there chilling. You got the official mail to Santa. And then you got the table. Check out the detail on the table. That was pretty dope. I like that. There's Logan right there chilling. But yeah, man, so we getting the house together for the holidays. As you all can see, this is like the focal point right here. So all of the decorations is over here, pointing this way. So, babe.
Yeah.
Come here real quick. All right, babe. So you did a great job on everything. What was the motivation behind this right here?
I had a lot of turquoise and gold ornaments.
Okay.
And I had those little sticks at the top, or whatever they are, and I wanted to try to do a tree like that.
Okay. And what about up here?
I needed something to match the tree.
Don't mind the YouTube video.
I needed something to match the tree, and then I found the little Santa man.
I forgot about him. I ain't see him down there.
Santa man down there. And then we're going to put that thing over there. That's going to be...
I don't think they see what you talking about, but you talking about this right here?
Yeah, we're going to put the stocking.
Okay.
Just on the wall.
All right. Now we're going to move on over here. What was your motivation for this one?
I wanted to do blue.
Okay.
Kind of like a
winter.
Snow. That was my motivation, but yeah, so I'm going to do silver, blue, and white.
So it's more like a little American flag type. Red, white, and blue. All right. And then over here, I call it Candyland.
That's my peppermint tree. That's my favorite tree.
Okay. And so what was you doing right here? Like when you was at the store and stuff?
So I wanted to do snowflakes.
Okay.
I found this Santa man. And I had the rest of this other stuff already.
Oh, okay.
Except for the snowflakes. So I bought the Santa and a stand-up snowflake.
So you finally got a chance to use some of the stuff that you had stored away at the house.
Correct.
Because our house was not as big as it is now. So a lot of this stuff she had ideas, but we didn't have no space to do it. Correct. Now we're blessed to have some space to let her creative juices flow. And
Yeah.
that's what happened. So there you have it. Be on the lookout for more holiday videos. We're getting into the spirit very early. Well, I ain't gonna say very early. We're getting into the spirit earlier than we normally would. And so LaCrista said she's glad we were able to set up now so we can really enjoy it for the full month of December. Because y'all don't understand. All right. So she did the bathroom too. Look at me standing right there.
Me too.
So she got like a little snow bear, a little Christmas tree, the little, what do you call these? What do you call these little balls on the ground?
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Ornament.
Oh, yeah, ornaments. So this the little guest bathroom. So she even decorated that too, y'all. She went crazy. She even did the kitchen, y'all. It's like hot chocolate candy house theme. And so she got the gingerbread house. You see the little light in there. You have all your different Swiss Miss hot chocolates. This one has marshmallows in it.
I gotta find the peppermint mocha.
She got marshmallows. She got chocolate chips. I don't know what this skinny syrup is. And then you got the coffee maker. So she has a little bar. Everything is themed. You're so festive this year, babe. Oh, I almost forgot. On the stove, she got the little Santa stop here. We have cookies. Looking. Y'all don't understand. I am that husband, that father that likes to take the tree down the day after Christmas. Like literally. Last year wasn't so bad, I don't think. But I wanted to get that thing out the way so we can get ready for the new year. Word to the wise. Start early so you can enjoy it.
Next year we doing November the 1st.
Wifey said we doing November 1st. So she's going to be on the same schedule as like the stores, like the outlet stores. Because the minute Halloween is over, Christmas decorations go up. And so LaCrista is going to try to stay on that schedule moving forward. But, man, be on the lookout for our holiday videos, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Don't mind my son up top. He's crazy. Until next time, we're going to holler. We out this thing. Peace.